Hello.
Can you hear me?
We can hear you.
Hello, everyone. My name's Laurie Mercurio, and I'm a meteorologist. I'm going to throw out some general questions every now and then, and maybe if it's okay with you, Mrs. Tarchowski, that they can say an answer, perhaps. Everybody know what a meteorologist is?
Yeah.
Great to hear. Of course, I am a person who, or a meteorologist is a person who studies weather, and that's what I went to school for. I went to school at the University of Oklahoma, so like I said, I moved around quite a bit, but it was neat in Oklahoma because I got to see a lot of interesting weather down there for sure.
But this is my viewpoint in the morning when I'm talking to John and Alicia at the desk. I'm usually looking at camera 1, and then I'll turn to camera 3, and then move over to the weather wall, which I'll talk about here in just a moment. And again, looking to the side, I can see where I'm standing there as well. So it does take a little bit of practice, not as easy as it looks.
Dark green, will it still show through?
Sometimes, yeah. Any really hue of that green color. That was pretty interesting, huh? Yeah, if I wore the green the exact same of the wall, you'd be able to see the map right through me.
So there's a look behind the scenes at the studio. Now we'll take a look inside at the weather office. Here we are in the weather office, and one of the first things you'll notice when you come in are all the monitors that we have here, all the computers that we use to put the shows together every day. And for us, for the meteorologists, that I can see what graphics are playing as well, so I can keep along with them.
How do you know when a storm's gonna come?
How do I know when a storm is coming?
Yes, that's what she asked.
Well, that goes back to some of the forecasting as far as the first map that I showed you, as far as a storm system coming in, knowing basically when it's going to come in and what it's going to produce. But we also use Doppler radar, which is technology that allows us to look at storms.
How are whirlpools formed?
Whirlpools or tornadoes?
Whirlpools.
I've honestly never heard of that.
Like a hurricane?
No, like it's.
Do you mean like a water spout one? In the like a lake or something, like a water spout?
So tell her that. Tell her a water spout.
A water spout.
Well, a water spout in the water is a tornado that just happens to develop over water, of course. The way that tornadoes form, you need a couple of main ingredients. Something to really get the thunderstorm going and get, basically you need a change of wind direction with a height within the atmosphere.